Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Karla wig by TressAllure in the new color Chocolate Swirl. Now, Karla is a new wig from the TressAllure line. She's got a monofilament side part, and she's also got a lace front, which is pretty cool. And this color is also brand new, so I'm kind of psyched to bring you both. I think this cut is very cute. It is really, really edgy looking, especially in the front. It's got all this razor texture going on. I like the front. I mean, it's got a lace front, but the bangs really want to go down, so that way you can get the most out of all this fringy goodness. Looks real cool in this color because of all of those butterscotch blonde highlights on here. It's really short at the nape. So let me go ahead and, before I do anything else, since I'm just kind of like playing with it and fussing, let me go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see what Karla looks like on all sides. This is a really cool, short little do. It's got tons of layering, like any good wig designed by Noriko Suzuki. Just tons and tons of layering all over the place. I really love how these layers hit the face. She's always so good at that. But yeah, just a really darling little shake and go, choppy little cut. Let's talk some specs while I play with it. So the front fringe is 5.5 inches. The crown down, also 5.5, and the nape is 2.5, so she's real short in the back. I do think this wig is really comfortable on. Like, I didn't have any problems getting this one on. The nape's a little short for my liking because I'm trying to grow out my nape hair. But other than that, I feel like this one is one that I could basically wear all the time and not really, get a headache or feel, pinched or anything like that. And it still fits securely. It doesn't fit as big as, say, like an Aesthetica cap or something like that, but it still is very comfortable on. And for reference, I have a 23.5 inch cap circumference, so I'm in the average large category, which is why I always try to mention, if I can, if I remember, how it fits on me, because I know a lot of my followers are actually in the big-headed tribe with me, and you're kind of waiting to see how this fits on me. I can tell you this one's pretty comfortable on. I mean, it's not so big I could put my hand in here, but there's a little room. I mean, check that out. So not shabby, it's comfortable. It doesn't give you a lot of extra space up here at the crown. So if you've got a large ear to ear measurement, because you know how you're supposed to do it ear to ear, you don't actually go from ear to ear, you go above and over your crown when you measure your ear to ear. So if you have a big ear to ear measurement, it's still going to be a little bit tight, like if you've got like a egg head, I've heard people describe themselves as that, it's gonna be a tight fit up here. But on the perimeter, it's pretty comfortable on. So let me go ahead and take Karla off so I can show you the cap construction. All right, now that I've got Karla off, let me show you what the cap construction looks like. So Karla has a lace front and a monofilament side part. There's also permatease here on the side where the monofilament part is not located. It is a left hand part. Almost all monofilament part caps are going to be on the left unless otherwise stated on my site. So no need to send me questions asking what side the part's on. It's always, always, always on the left. Always on the left. I don't know why, but it's always on the left. The only exceptions are maybe Ashley by Envy and maybe a handful of other wigs where the part's in the dead center of the cap. But I have never seen a monofilament side part wig where that part is on the right. It just doesn't happen. So I know that's a bummer for some people, but that's just how that cookie crumbles. So if you are dead set on setting your part on the right, you're not gonna want one of these monofilament side part wigs. You're going to want to get a monofilament top wig because then you can maneuver the part however you want. So I know it's tough love, but it's the truth. And I'd rather sell you something when you know exactly what you're getting as opposed to, feeding you a bunch of nonsense about, sure, you can change the part however you want, when I know for a fact that if it's got a monofilament side part, you should not alter that part. Like, it just won't work. So I'd rather you spend a little bit more money on something that will work for you than waste your money on something that won't, okay? So here is nice, soft, fuzzy ear tabs, so they're covered in felt. We've got open sides, open back. We've got an extended felt nape with these Velcro adjusters. We like those. Here's an up close and personal look at this chocolate swirl color. It's a lot like Estetica's Caramel Kiss. So it's a medium brown color that's got really nice, intense butterscotch blonde highlights all throughout. Really, really, really pretty color. Does not have the highlights here at the nape though, just so you see on the shorter wig. Really cute cut, has a lot of layering going on, and that looks great in this chocolate swirl color because you can really see how that plays up all that layering. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Karla back on for you now. And there you go. This is the Karla wig by TressAllure in the color Chocolate Swirl, which is a newer color, so I really wanted to show it off for you. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, bringing you tough love and lots of color advice and all kinds of stuff in my video reviews. So if you like what we do here, please be sure to check out my wig store, which is just www.cysterwigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. Until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.